Myth number 1. I have to have debt to establish credit.
Fact is, building your credit does begin with opening a line of credit, but you do not have to be constantly in debt to build your credit. In fact, it will look a lot better to creditors and lenders if you're able to pay off your balances or keep them below 30% of the limit each month.
Myth number 2. Medical debt doesn't affect my credit score.
Fact. In the eyes of the credit bureaus, debt is debt. It's important to pay off all your debt instead of being negligent and letting it get out of hand. Late payments and collections will be reported just as they would be for a loan or credit card.
Myth number 3. Checking my credit report will damage my score.
Fact is, whenever you check your credit report, what is done is called a soft inquiry. It doesn't have any effect on your history or score. In fact, you can check your credit report any number of times a year without any damage. But keep in mind, whenever a lender or creditor pulls your credit, it does have a small negative effect on your score.
Myth number 4. My spouse and I share our credit score.
You may share last names, your house, and maybe even the car, but not your credit score. This myth comes from the fact that shared credit cards and loans will equally affect both credit scores, whether you pay on time or miss a payment, and no matter who is responsible for making the payments. Remember to check both people's scores before applying for joint loans or credit cards.
Myth number 5. Closing old credit accounts is good for my credit score.
Fact is, the longer you've had your accounts, the better. Old accounts show you can maintain your credit and monthly payments. It leads creditors and lenders to believe you're less likely to make mistakes that those new to credit may make.
Myth number 6. Having a high credit score is the only way to get an auto loan.
Fact is, while having a high credit score is great, not everyone has one. That's why there's a nationwide network of dealers and lenders that work with Auto Credit Express to bring you the best auto financing opportunities available in your area.